Hi everyone, are you looking for a multi-service application? Are you looking for a complete all-in-one application where your users can book courier, they can book multi-vendor food ordering, they can book multi-vendor grocery, they can also book taxi, and they can also book professional services like electrician, plumber and much more, all in one app with Android and iOS and also website? Then this is the best application for you. In this video we are going to discuss our ready-made Gojek similar multi-service application GoPack, and we are going to discuss how the admin panel of GoPack works. So after watching this video you will be able to understand how GoPack admin works and how the admin can control each and everything. Remember, GoTech is a complete Flutter based multi-service application where you get a customer app, a seller app, a driver app, Android, admin and 1 year free technical support. If you are looking for Android and iOS, then you get customer app, Android, seller app, Android, driver app, Android, customer app, iOS, seller app, iOS, driver app, iOS, admin, 1 year free technical support and complete source code. So yeah, let's start the video and let's understand how the admin of GoPack works. So this is GoPack admin. We are going to understand all these features in detail. So this is the main admin. You can see all the orders, all the options. You can see total earning graphs. You can see users this week graph. You can see the vendors this year graph, and you can see total orders in this year graph. So let's understand how to check all the registered users on GoPack. So here you can see all the registered users. You can see their name, their role, their name, number, their wallet amount, role and much more. You can also see the users by categories, like if you want to see only clients like users who are as a customer using your apps, you can also search only drivers, and you can also search particular name like this. You can also add a new user like this. Just add the name, number, phone number and choose their role. So you can add it admin, driver or user. So you can add the role as admin, client or driver. We are going to understand by manager and city admin also in the video ahead. And just choose the role, click on save, enter the detail, and yeah, that's how you create a new user in GoPack by using the admin panel. Your users and driver can download the app and they can log in by this given ID and password. And now let's understand how to check all the registered sellers or vendors on your platform. So here are all registered vendors. You can see their name, their image, their type, their activation, created date and much more. So let's see this provider, this seller. Click on view. Here you can see the seller name, his phone number, his email ID, his address, his category, his commission and much more. And now let's understand how to edit a seller profile. You can choose the vendor type over here, which category he is from. So whenever a user choose grocery, then the seller will be coming in grocery. If the seller is registered in electronics, then the seller will be showing in electronics. So that is how it works. You can choose the seller categories and address over here. You can choose the seller has subcategories or not. If he has subcategories, then he will be showing in the subcategories section in the application. You can also control the minimum order amount, the base delivery charges and also the delivery charges according to Kimi. If you enable the delivery charges according to Kimi, then the charges will be applied as per Kimi. For example, if the seller is charging 10 rupees per kilometer, then 10 rupees per kilometer will be charged according to the distance traveled by the driver. The seller is allowing pickup or drop location. The seller is allowing pickup, delivery, or both. You can control over here. You can also control that the seller is allowing schedule order. In the GoPack application, a customer can schedule his order. For example, a customer is ordering right now for tomorrow. He can. So the order will be for tomorrow. So this section is making sure that this seller allowed to have schedule order or not. Along with this, you can also control the seller will automatically assign a nearby delivery boy or he will manually assign a delivery boy. So if we select automatically assignment, then whenever there is a new order came to seller, then this order will be automatically assigned to nearby delivery boy. Now auto accept order means whenever there is a new order, the order will be automatically accepted by seller, so he can just prepare the order. He can enable this so he don't need to accept every single order. Now this is a feature, subscription feature. In the GoPack application, the admin can have a subscription fee from the sellers. This subscription fee, your sellers can pay you monthly or yearly. You can create the packages and you can avoid taking monthly or yearly commissions from sellers like this. So you can take a paid package plan commission as a money from sellers to run your multi-service application business. For more, kindly contact your consultant or you can drop a comment below so our team can help you. And here you can change the logo and the featured image of the seller, and here you choose he is active or not and click on update, and that's how you add a new seller in GoPack admin. From here you can control the seller closing and opening time. From here you can assign a manager to the seller. That means whenever a person register, to let him use the seller ID password, he need to be assigned on that profile so he can manage that profile. So for example, there is a user called Pooja. If he wants to manage that store, you can assign him as a manager of that store and then he can receive all the orders. So the sellers can have their own assigned managers. So they can see the seller panel and they can accept orders and they can add products also. For more, you can contact your consultant. From here you can deactivate also and you can delete also any seller. If there are many sellers, then you can control the list to show 10, 20 or 30, and you can also go to next page like this to see more sellers in the profile. Now let's understand how you can add vendor types, means how you can add different services in your platform. As you know, GoPack supports multiple services like parcel delivery, grocery delivery, fast food delivery, pharmacy delivery, handyman services, taxi booking and much more. So if you want to add similar services like electronics selling, fashion selling, so similar services you can add. You can add the service name, service image, service color, description and all these things. So click on this cross icon. And yeah, that's how you deactivate a service on GoPack. So now this service won't be visible to the users. You can see the status as inactive. Now click on this blue tick and click on yes. And yeah, that's how you activate a service on GoPack, and now this service will be visible to user. And that's how you control a service is activate or deactivate. In GoPack application, you can actually deactivate some services right now if you don't want them right now, and you can activate them later once you want them on your application. And now let's understand how to add a new vendor type, a new service type in the GoPack. Choose any of the category. Enter the name of the category. For example, you want to add fashion. So enter fashion. So whenever a user click on it, he can see all the stores of fashion clothing or clothing products. Enter the description, enter the icon, and yeah, click on active. You can also control the color showing on the background of that service like this. So this color you can easily control from admin panel like this. Yes. And now click here, add your logo and click on activate, and yeah, click on new. That's how you add a new service type or a new vendor type in GoPack application. Now let's understand the other things in the application. Here you can see all the orders inside the app. You can see the order code, user, order status and everything. You can see the customer name, his detail, his payment method and a lot of more details like this. You can click on edit to edit that order also. Here you can see all the detail of the order. You can see the customer name, customer number. You can see the order status. You can see the customer address. You can also see which vendor he ordered from. You can also see the date. You can also see the driver and driver number, and you can also see the product he ordered and the price of that product, and you can also see the final payment he did. So you can see the complete detail of each order. And if you want to change the order status from your side, you can change it easily like this. Now let's understand more details in GoPack admin. From here you can see all the orders and you can also edit the status. From here you can bulk export the Excel file of all the orders, and from here you can filter the orders as only new, only show completed order, only show on the way orders. Like this you can control all the orders by using the GoPack admin. Now let's understand how to control all the banners on GoPack admin. So here is a banner. Now let's understand how to control all the banners on GoPack admin. So here is a banner. You can upload the banner image, the category or the vendor you want to assign to that banner, and click on update. Always click on this active button so you can control it is activated or not. And yeah, that's how you update a banner on GoPack application. Remember, the banner will be coming inside the home page in the particular category that you have selected. From here you can add all the categories. These categories are for shopping or for filterization. For example, if you have fast food, then in the fast food you want to add burger, pizza, Italian, Chinese. So all these options can be written over here like this. So all the subcategories inside the services can be made from here. So the users can filter their products according to categories inside a service. For example, if a user wants to see only burger inside food, he can filter it from here, and you can see the name, image and all the other features in a category. From here you can create subcategory, like there is an electrician is a main category, but electrician is a repair person, he is a light repair person, or he is a fan repair person. This thing you can create from subcategories. Now let's understand how to check products by using the admin. And here are all the products. You can see a product detail like name, image, category, price and much more from here. You can also edit any product uploaded by any seller from here. All these details you can control. You can control the price, you can control the discount, you can also control the different details of that product. You can also control which categories that product should come. You can also control that product has variations, like if it's a burger that it has additional sauces or other options. To selecting more option, then it will have more add-ons options available. You can also control this product is deliverable or not, and you can also control the product is active or not. You can also control which seller the product is from. And yeah, that's how you add a new product or you edit anything inside a product by using the GoPack admin. Now let's understand the package type, means courier type. From here you can create different courier types like express courier, box delivery, parcel delivery, document delivery. All this you can do. You can enter the name, image. So whenever a user click on courier delivery, he can choose his delivery type. So according to that, nearby courier companies can show. From here you can add countries and cities. Your application works. You can edit any country and you can add more countries also. So now let's understand services, professional services. From here you can control any professional service, their price, their name, it is per hour or it is fixed price, their image, and click on active. You can also select their categories. Now let's understand how the taxi booking services has different features in the application admin of GoPack. From here you can control what are the vehicles available on your platform, and you can also add more and more vehicles by using the admin panel. From here you can control your base fare and the charges per kilometer, and you can also control the minimum fare and charges per minute if it's a minute price. Now let's talk about all the payment gateways that GoPack has. So here are all the payment gateways that GoPack has. You can see it has many payment gateways. Admin can easily enable or disable it by using the admin panel. The GoPack application has PayUmoney, Paytm, PayPal, wallet option, bill place, Flutterwave, Razorpay, and a lot of other payment options. I suggest to connect with your technical expert so he can suggest you which payment gateway will work in your country. For more you can contact your consultant, or you can also check description directly, so you can connect directly with your expert at Raunix so we can help you. Now let's understand what are the available payment methods at GoPack. The GoPack application has more than 12 available payment methods, that are cash on delivery, Stripe, Paystack, Razorpay, Flutterwave, and a lot of other options like PayPal and more. So for more you can connect your consultant so he can help you the best and tell you which payment gateway works in your location, or you can directly check description box and contact our experts so they can help you the best. Now let's go ahead and understand the taxi booking settings. As you know, the GoPack application supports taxi booking also. So from here you can control that how much time it will take to auto cancel the booking if no driver select the order, if no driver accept the order. So from here we have added 1, that means after 1 minute the order will be auto cancelled. So these are the basic settings of taxi booking available in GoPack admin. You can also control the status, it will show in the notification different words of status. Now let's talk about the other settings inside the application. Now let's see the journal settings, the main settings inside the application. So from here you can control all the things like the application name, color, default country code. So if you are from USA, you will enter USA as a default country code. If you add auto, that means it will automatically take all the country codes. And you can control the time zone, order scheduling, and different settings from here. You can also control the application and website icon from here, coming on the home page only. The icon that is coming over here in the left side in the admin, you can control it from here. You can also control how much maximum days a customer can schedule an order. That means if I am ordering right now for 5 days ahead I can, but if I want to schedule it for 7 days I cannot. So this thing you can control it from here. You can also control how much hours before the customer can schedule the order. You can also control that if nobody accept the order, how much time the order will auto cancel. This order is for grocery delivery, food delivery and other things, and all the other settings you can control it from here. Remember, you should not change any settings before consulting with your developer. So for more, kindly contact your consultant, or you can also drop a comment below, or you can also check description box so our team can help you. And now let's see the other settings of the platform. Now let's see the mobile app settings. From here you can see the basic settings like what is the app name, Google Map API and all the other settings. You can also control the default country code inside the application. You can also control you right now want phone number OTP verification or not. If you want it, then you will need to enable one of these payment gateways. You can also control you want refer and earn system enabled to it or not. You can also control all different things from here. You can also control you want to enable multiple stop selecting option in parcel delivery or not, and how much stops you want. You can also control it from here. You can also control different settings like driver wallet will be there or not, and different settings you can control from here. You can also control that how much time a person will have to accept the order. What is the driver radius? A driver can accept how many orders at one time? When there is a new order, how many drivers will receive that order notification? And if an order is rejected, then in how many minutes it will be resent to accept it. So all these settings you can control it from here. You can also control different app layouts from here. You can control you want to enable live tracking, calculate distance via Google Map or not. If you want to run this system as single vendor, you can control it from here. If you want the delivery boy to be verified when he registered, so once he is verified he can start giving his delivery services. You can also control the chat option is enabled or not. You can also control that the parcel person will be showed by location, and you can also control order tracking is enabled or not. All these things are controllable by admin. You can also control the colors of application from here. Now let's talk about the other settings. So these are the currencies. You can control which currency is your main currency right now. Remember, GoPack application support one currency at one time. So if you are having OTP option enabled, you can control which payment gateway you want to enable right now. You can enable it by entering the key of the payment gateway, and then you can connect it with your business. Now these are the other settings like automatically order assigning. From here you can see all the automatically order assigned. From here, if you want to remove the data of the application and you want to start from again, you can do it from here. You can see the databases from here. So these all things are for developers. From here you can send a new notification. Click on new, enter the title, enter the message, choose you want to send it to all the users or you want to send it only particular type of users like only driver, customers, only admins, all these things. And if you want to send it to a particular one, you can do it like this. And you can also upload an image on the push notification, and yeah, just click on send, and that's how you send a push notification or a notification for any option from here. From here you can see different reports. You can see the products report, which product is selling more, which products is selling less. Every report you can see from here. You can also see services report, which service is selling more, which service is selling less, which service is highest selling. All these reports you can see like this in graphs and in data like this. You can also download this report in your laptop or phone as a Excel file. You can also see all categories, all customers reports and all the reports like this, and you can download each report in your laptop as Excel file. And you can also see different graphs like this. And you can also see subscription, as in the GoPack application it supports subscription. Means if you don't want to take commissions from the sellers, you can ask them to buy subscription and then they can buy that subscription monthly or yearly. So you can see different graphs over here. For more, kindly contact your consultant or drop a comment below so our team can help you. You can also directly connect with us by checking the description box so our team can connect with you and our expert can help you to go ahead with a Gojek similar multi-service application like GoPack. And yeah, that's all about GoPack admin. I hope you like this video. If you have any of the query, you can directly connect us with the number available in description, or you can also drop a comment below so our team can help you. You can also directly contact with your consultant so they can help you the best. GoPack is a complete multi-service application where you get customer app Android, seller app Android, driver app Android. If you are looking for Android and iOS, then you get all three Android apps, iOS customer app, iOS seller app, iOS driver app, along with that admin, website and 1 year free technical support. All this in one package and easy to launch. So if you want to make your own multi-service application like GoPack, then kindly check description box so you can directly connect with us and our experts can help you to make your own app like Gojek. For more, kindly check all the videos and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.